Here starts the second lesson linked to the wider topic of territorial marketing. In this lesson, we'll analyze the concept of attractiveness, which directly regards the territorial marketing. In great measure, territorial marketing is a tool of attractiveness. To puzzle out the meaning of attractiveness, obviously linked to this topic, we should imagine it as an equation. The sources of wealth combined with the job offer provoke a flux of people that want to come and stay, some for touristic purposes, other as citizens. The territorial development policies were strongly convicted that a strong attractiveness of a territorial is considered a proof of great success. The existing literature gives several definitions to clarify the notion. Fabrice Anthem, in his Le Marketing Territorial Principes, Méthodes et Pratiques, explain how the attractiveness is a complex, relative, and multidimensional concept. And the attractiveness is linked to two parameters. The first takes into consideration what a territory can offer, and the second refers to the preference of investors and their options for a territory, whose offer is considered interesting in relation to another territory. Attractiveness is the ability of a territory to offer investors sufficiently attractive conditions to encourage them to locate their projects here rather than in another territory. Then two scholars, Isabelle Robot and Benoît Corré, wrote a special article analyzing the French attractiveness. Attractivité de la France, analyse, perception et mesure. They bear that the attractiveness is the capacity of a territory to attract and retain businesses. Recapping what these scholars theorize, the territorial attractiveness is the ability over a long period of time to attract and retain various economic activities and mobile production factors, companies, professional events, entrepreneurs, capital, etc. In this sense, it is the reflection of the performance of a territory during a given period. This is the reason why we choose the royal family that represent an attractiveness tool for the UK. A long-lasting content, a main character, linked to a wide range of souvenirs objects. In short, to be attractive, the territory must be competitive, and to be competitive, here must be a strategic vision for using and a marketing territory that needs to be constantly held, reviewed, and improved. Attractiveness has many aspects, of which we name having a solid and distinguished local identity. In this case, we use as example the Italian city of Lovere, because in 2019, one of the steps of the international cycling tour, Giro d'Italia, started from there. This city was already known as one of the most beautiful Italian villages. The event gave the opportunity to promote Lovere also as a destination or for cycling passionate. A stunning and functional sporty place. Mastering one's field action by well knowing the potential of the territory and what it can offer. In this sense, the perfect example is the mountain tourism, which offers great opportunity from winter to summer. Fully understanding the needs of the target that need to be fulfilled and the capacity of the competition that needs to be measured and compared to our own. Different family units have different priorities and demands. A territory needs to understand these requests in order to diversify their offers. Constructing a solid strategic vision for the long term, it will provide coherence of any marketing actions to be taken. This coherence will be of great use when it comes to conceiving a positive image of the territory and will therefore affect positively its attractiveness. The example here is still the mountain tourism, where due to the low temperature in winter suffers the phenomenon of depopulation. But thanks to the winter tourism, this trend affects the idea no more. The components of the territory need to be the source of their attractiveness and divide them into 4 categories. First of all, geographic, natural, and human resources. Second, history, culture, and organization. Then, economical components and infrastructures. And last, public interest equipment. In sum, being attractive means establishing the territory as a strong brand and a positive image, opposite its environment, while paying attention not to reduce the territory or demean it by absurd messages that are not related to the real nature of it or that promote a higher potential that the territory is.